everyone. I, Mansi Chopra, faculty of BAJMC department from Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies, is going to deliver a lecture on case studies on social change campaigns in India. Now, we are going to discuss case study on Times of India. This case is about the Times of India social marketing initiatives. Though Times of India was one of the largest circulated newspaper in the world, it was criticized for promoting yellow journalism. In order to build its brand image, TOI adopted a social marketing strategy and projected itself as an agent of social change by launching a series of social campaigns highlighting social issues. One of them was Teach India. The Teach India campaign was launched in July 6, 2008 with the objective of providing free education to the underprivileged children in India and eradicating illiteracy. The campaign was inspired by TOI's earlier initiatives Lead India, launched in August 2007. According to the feedback received from the Lead India campaign, India would not be able to lead unless its populace was literate, and that there was a need for citizens to come forward and contribute to the cause. It was for this purpose that Teach India campaign was launched. The campaign was divided into two phases. The first phase invited citizens of the country to volunteer with a non-government organization in their locality and spend 2 hours a week teaching underprivileged children. The second phase, which started at the end of 2008, selected students from top educational institutes all over the country who were willing to dedicate 2 years to teaching to underprivileged. To execute the campaign, TOI tied up with selected NGOs in the field of education in multiple cities across India. Corporations, schools and social organizations also lent their support to the campaign. The campaign was promoted throughout print, television, online, outdoor and on-ground events. While the campaign won some of the most prestigious advertisements award, experts remained divided in their opinion on whether TOI had adopted a genuine approach to initiating social charges in India or whether it was just a marketing gimmick to enhance their brand image of the Times Group. Understand various issues and challenges in social marketing. Study the social marketing campaigns launched by TOI and analyze whether TOI was successful in achieving the objective of its campaign. Understand the role and cost related marketing in enhancing brand image. Explore ways to make the Teach India initiative could be made sustainable. Mahindra Lifespace builds a Green Army, I Am Green Army campaign objective. Mahindra Lifespaces intended to establish a deeper connect as an eco-friendly and as an eco-conscious brand. The brand wanted to strengthen its association with sustainable and eco-friendly communities. A social media campaign, I Am Green Army, was launched to communicate the brand philosophy to the social media audience by helping them inculcate eco-friendly habits in their daily lives. Execution. The campaign was strategized around the insight that it takes at least 18 to 254 days to form a habit. Taking a cue from this, the brand devised the initiatives as an 18-day challenge. The idea was to activate the audience to take simple steps in their day-to-day lives that would collectively have a significant impact on the environment. Facebook and Twitter were chosen as the primary social media platforms for the campaign. The initiative was focused on inculcating green and sustainable living habits to promote energy conservation and preservation of water and natural resources by recycling, reusing material and reducing waste. A video was released to raise awareness around the I Am Green Army challenge and to encourage people to participate in it. A simple challenge was posted every day for the audience to take on. The challenge would include a simple yet effective task around eco-friendly behavior. Along with the task, the brand also would put out informative communication on how our behavior and actions impact the environment. There was a daily winner who would be rewarded with prizes. The green challenges were selected as a green winner who completed all 18 challenges. Result: the launch video received more than 1 lakh views across both Facebook and Twitter. This helped the brand receive a huge amount of entries for the challenge. The campaign clocked a whopping 42 million impressive across platforms, where engagement received on both Facebook and Twitter was over 2,60,000. Over the course of 18 days, the page received 4,753 comments, reflecting the power of successful and meaningful engagement by the campaign. So I hope you understand the topic, case studies on social change campaigns in India. Thank you very much.